Hello, everybody. Today I am going to tap into my inner child. This is me when I was little. I'm going to go and blow some bubbles for the horses. I thought that they might find them interesting. Hopefully, they don't find them scary. If they do, I'll quit right away. But they might find them interesting. And I have carrots for them. Also, today, my plans with the horses is to put them to work doing some yard work for me. I have a lot of really long grass out in my front yard that I can't mow because it's part of the wilderness. So I would like them to help me by munching that down and eating that for me. So let's go outside and see what happens. Is that interesting? It's okay, Dora. Don't be scared. They're beautiful. Bubbles are beautiful. Okay, you guys. That's enough bubbles. I think they really found them stimulating and interesting, and I enjoyed playing with them. Now it's time for the horses to go to work. I need them to eat some of the grass around my property that the lawnmower can't get to. So they're going to have a fun day. I hope you guys have a fun day. Bye. Hi, everyone. Okay, I let the horses out of the pasture and I closed the main gate. And Jora is my good girl. She is exactly where she needs to be, out in that long grass. She's doing good. Atticus, however, is munching grass off of my front lawn, but he wants to be close to me, so that's okay. After I go into the house, he'll probably move and go help his mama. But I think I'll turn on the sprinklers because they like to get wet in the sprinklers. Okay, everybody, have a good day. Bye.